If you guys are ready to forward deploy, please head that way if you want to.
Ballers, forward deploy along J-hook. Ballers! Ballers, forward deploy along J-hook! Ballin'! If we lose J-hook, it is game over. We hold J-hook, the game will be won. Ballers, bush! Ballers, ballin' balls!
I don't even know you guys, I'm with you.
We are the Ballad Ballers, and we love ballin'! What's good, baller? You are ballin'! Honorary member for this match. We're not in range. Well, we are, but we're letting them get closer and get a completely clear shot. Everyone lay down. Hey, lay down. Contact right in that trees up there. Hey, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. We're staying hidden. Don't listen to Vinny. Shoot. First is right up here on the... Right side, right side. Right side push, right side push. They're on the mound, they're on the mound.
Did he call it? Yeah, he called it. No?
Shoot him more. I thought he called that, man. I hit him. I'm a medic. Hey, I got you. I got you. Drag him down. Take my spot. Yeah, you're good. I'll stay right back here. I'm commandor. Vinny, where you at? Vinny, get up here. Shoot back, man. Rifles have to be clanging. Sit down. I see one tree 4. Speed softer with an HPA pistol. Watch right. Force right, force right, force right. Yeah, we're not falling back. We're holding here. We're doing good. If you need ammo, I got ammo. I got like 3,000 rounds plus a speed loader half full. I think I will, honestly.
Bro, my gloves are already doing.
We're pushing. He's dead. Taking shots. I see a I see a guy in a. Yeah, shoot that guy over there. We're doing good. Get up here. Come on. I think the far right is starting to fall though. To our left is starting to fall.
Keep an eye on it.
No, one guy's hit. Yeah, he's been hit.
No, there's one dude that was sitting in a tree.
Watch out. We gotta pull or start using full auto. Yeah, no full auto. I'm gonna call Marshall.
What do you mean no full auto?
No full auto. It's a semi game.
Why are you calling Marshall?
I'm gonna call Marshall because this guy's full auto. If I see him full auto with the right, is he full auto with the rifle?
Full autoing with an M4 or like something that's semi.
There's some guy on the other team with an HPA saw, I think.
Oh, it's a saw. Okay.
Up ahead, other side of the hill.
Yep. HP pistol. You get him? I swear I had him. Anyone got a smoke?
I do.
Smoke between us. Smoke on the left side.
What?
Smoke towards Sam's side. They're on the hill. That was close. Jesus Christ. There's an HBA pistol we're standing. Nope. Sorry, man. I'm dry firing. Pin this guy down.
From the right, from the right, from the left. Hit.
You're not dead.
Hit.
I'm a medic. Hey. Asher, are you dead as well? I'm gonna peek and kill this kid. Hit! Nice firefight, bros! No, I'll stay for Riley. Medic! Nice kill, Riley. Riley, are you a medic?
No.
Hart, you a medic? We can push them back.
Winston, is the person full autoing sound like HPA?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're going on with the HPA.
Yeah, I was like, are they full autoing with a rifle? That's a Polar Star.
I was talking with them earlier because I'm like,
I'll move.
Heads up.
I'm out the way. Just stay down, man. We're all dead.